Pick me's. Don't go and bash feminism because the only reason you can say whatever the hell you want is only because of feminism. It's funny how the system talks a lot about getting education, but people merely do not even know the meaning of the word feminism. Feminism is not equal to man hating, it's standing for women's right. And the most important and ridiculous misconception about feminism is that only women support feminism. But it's not true. There are certain men who support feminism. And in this day and age, if you're not a feminist, you are a stupid. As for certain male validation, do not do this stupidity. Because you know what? Let me tell you. The men are liking your post and relating to you is because you are saying things that is in favor of them. The moment you'll speak something against them, just wait and watch how they turn against you. I get that misogyny is so deeply internalized in you guys that you think that behaving like this is sanskari, which is not. This R word is used so easily for us women. Whatever we want to do, if we want to study, if we want to straighten our hair, if we want to put makeup, I'm wearing red lipstick now. People can call me that word. But we don't understand the life of the people who are actually living it. Being an R is not something to be proud of. And the only reason why Awkward Goat is getting this much hate is because now she owned it. People wanted to shame her for it. And जब से Awkward Goat ने इस बारे में बात की है, तब से ही we have started giving importance to this word and understanding how wrong it is. Anything we want to do for ourselves, we are getting this slur in our comment section. I really don't understand that. I really don't understand this, and I don't stand by it. Because any sensible person wouldn't stand by it. I mean, you think that calling somebody that word is crazy, it's fun. No, it's not. It's stupidity. And in this day and age, if you are not a feminist, you are just a dumb human being existing without any knowledge. And that is why I say that the system keeps barking about, knowledge and education. But people do not understand the meaning of feminism. I've seen some women who are torch bearers of patriarchy, who love patriarchy and because it benefits them. For example, some mother-in-law, she of course believes in patriarchy and that is why she's asking for dowry and everything. There are men who support feminism and पहली बात तो मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता that we have to sit and talk about it कि women should also get equal rights. मतलब ये एक कॉमन सेंस नहीं होनी चाहिए कि भाई हाँ भाई हम सब इंसान हैं, आदमी भी इंसान है और एक औरत भी एक इंसान है, तो ये हमको बैठ के इस बारे में बात क्यों करना पड़ रहा है? Why do we need to have a term coined for it that okay, women need to have their rights? Why? Isn't it common sense? Of course, we cannot be equal in terms of physique, but we're talking about cerebral equality, When it's high time, let everybody do whatever the hell they want, as long as it's not harming anybody. Doing anything you want does not mean that you're going to go and harm a certain section of people. But the world has a lot of suffering.